Quick trade recap. Didn't trade today because I was putting my bed together. You can kind of see it. Yeah. Touch it. Touch it. Touch it. Touch it. But I don't even know. It was hella weird today. No news really. But and we were still pretty bullish in this range, and we hadn't swept anything. Still pretty bullish, and then coming into the session, we had Asian highs up here, which were untouched, obviously. Asian lows were like fucking. Nope. No. Like here, pretty much. Which are getting swept right now, which is good to see. As we come into London, New York. But the first sweep we see is the divergence at topside here. And straight away there's no instant tap. And all you get is a divergence, right? And then the breaker structure, of course, occurs down here eventually. But then it breaks structure bullish again while re-sweeping these, while sweeping, sorry, not re-sweeping, while sweeping these equal lows. Plus we're on a pretty bullish bias. Plus we get an early breaker structure here on the longs. Plus there's a fair value gap here which gets filled. Good price action to the sweep. This is perfect longs here. Stops below here because it gets all the imbalance. Shooting for the order block. This would be a break-even trade. Because after it dips back down and comes back up, stops would come to break even, and then I get stopped out here. This would be a break even. But it then comes up and taps the fair value gap up here to then come short really well. But it doesn't tap it on NAS. It only taps it on ES, which is the diverged pair. So I wouldn't be taking that. And this is like perfect anyway, so this would end up as a break even or a loss. Today was just fucking shit. It was weird, like equal bottoms. And of course we haven't got any Asians, like any Asian highs or lows in sight. So these ones are down here. Alright. Haven't got them in sight. And then next sweep we get, and plus this has already made its full move bearish to sweep these, so I would not be shorting from this. Like, that's because I guess divergences are better than equal lows, but sheesh. Then from there, that's it. Yeah, nothing really. It's a bit weird. Like this. Nah. Yeah, it's a bit weird. And even if I was short off of the respective, this one doesn't tap halfway. Okay, this one then, and I waited for breaker structure, bearish. Sure, fucking high ass stops. And then for a decent risk to reward, I'd have to shoot for like the lows even further. And it's like I would not be taking that because we've just swept equal lows here with good price action. Obviously good price actions from the sweep. But then we have single fair value after a break structure. Yeah, no, it's a bit shitty. Alright, that's that.